Your Wi-Fi keeps turning itself back on even after you switch it off. That's not normal behavior, and here's why it happens. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your iPhone's Wi-Fi automatically turning on. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On our iPhone, we usually turn off our Wi-Fi by swiping down on the screen and pressing the Wi-Fi icon on our control center, right? Did you actually notice there's a notification saying disconnecting nearby Wi-Fi until tomorrow? Which means your Wi-Fi will turn on by itself again in a day's time. To completely turn off your Wi-Fi, go to your settings, then tap on Wi-Fi. Here you can see the green box is checked for Wi-Fi. Tap on the green box will uncheck the Wi-Fi option, and your Wi-Fi will be permanently up again until you turn it on. If this still doesn't work, you can simply forget the network and re-enter the password to connect again. So how do you do this? Tap on the information icon here. Then tap on forget this network. Tap on forget. Connect to the same Wi-Fi network again and enter your password to connect. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.